In this video, I'm going to show you how to change room size in Planner 5D. So to do this, first you want to switch to 2D mode, and over here you want to go to build, and you can of course either draw a wall or create a room. So I'm just going to create a default room over here. Of course you have a few options. I'm going to click on this one, and now we have a basic square room over here, which is 5 by 5 meters. So to change the room size, there's a few options. You could either click on it, and you can of course go and drag it. So you can do it like this. You can drag the walls out like that or like that. As you can see, I can of course make it bigger that way, and it's basically much easier to just go manually. Now of course you could go and click down here and do, like, for example, 1,000 over here, and that's going to kind of change it, but of course it gives you much more control if you do it manually like I showed you earlier. So if you actually use these walls and just drag them in and out like that. So that's the first way, but you can also select the room, and then here you can just go and basically click on corners, and you can drag in or out the corners, and you can make your rooms bigger or change dimensions that way as well. Okay, so I'm changing the room size right now. As you can see, just be careful that you actually achieve whatever you want to achieve, the dimensions and of course the sizes, the corners, etc. Okay, so that's how to change room size in Planner 5D. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.